yung AFP. Pa-drug test nyo din yung lahat ng PNP. But somehow, hanggang ngayon, OVP pa lang din ang papadrug test. I wonder why.
Last question, please.
No, hindi ako tao na nagpapaareglo. Tsaka hindi ako tao na nabibili ng pera.
Ma'am, are you a threat na to national security?
Am I a threat to national security? What they are doing to me is a threat. Sagot ko yan sa NSC. Mamaya, bukas.
Okay.
May napansin na bibigay sa inyo software si First Lady Lisa Raneta Marcos. Para saan ba yun? Millions na yun?
Yes, I'm waiting for that question to come up in the committee hearing. So let's wait for that question to come up in the committee hearing.
Will you be able to attend the next hearing just like yesterday?
Yes, I'm free on Friday. Tomorrow I'll be in Basilan, and then Thursday